Alright, first I'm going to start removing all these push clips. You just push them down and you can pop them up. This comes right out. You don't need to take this whole piece off, just these front clips that are attached to the grill. You have 3 10mm bolts. Those need to come off. This is a TRD off-road, so it takes another clip that needs to come off is over here. Just reach down and clip it. And then on this side, next, these clips got to come out. Just go ahead and remove these. These you just turn, and that'll come out. I'm just going to take this one off as well. Last thing I want to do is crack my fender. There's one down here. Go. Do the same to the other side. So these are different lengths, so just make sure you know the order that you take them out. This is starting at the bottom and working my way up along the fender. So there are some 10 mils at the bottom. There's one here, and then you can actually see it connected into the truck right there. And a few more as you go down. So just go ahead and remove those ones right now. And there are also 4 more on the inside that you'll need to get. You'll need a long extension to get those ones off. There's a little Phillips in there that we got to get out. And that should be it. Just going to do that to the same to the other side. This one should be less scary. Oh, but it's not. Oh. Still scares you. I don't know what these are torqued to, but they're very tight for a little Phillips screw. Alright, and that should be it. The bumper should come off. Oh, that's scary. Need to do that one more time to the other side. Oh, that's scary. Looks okay.